What is up guys? Welcome back. For today's video, update ko lang kayo dun sa procedure na ginagawa natin para ma-solve ang error prompt na your account is already registered to another phone. Dun po kasi sa unang procedure, kapag nag-open tayo ng conversation with Gigi, yung unang message ni Gigi is ganito: "Good morning, I'm Gigi, your GCash virtual assistant. Please select one of the options below or type your question to get started." So yan yung unang message niya. Ngayon nag-iba na. Ganito na siya: "Our help page in the app will be back soon. We're working on improvements to make your experience better. Please check for updates or send a reply via email. Have you seen our email?" So, ganun na siya. Ngayon, ituturo ko sa inyo yung bagong procedure na yon para ma-solve nyo yung issue your account is already registered to another phone. So, ngayon, click lang natin itong chat with Gigi. Then, as you can see, ayan, nakalagay agad dito, "Our help page in the app will be back soon. We're working on improvements to make your experience better. Please check for updates or send a reply via email. Have you seen our email?" So, click lang natin yung no dito. Then, sasabihin ulit na Gigi, "No worries. If you need more help, type your question below or check for updates on your ticket." So, dito naman, click natin yung ask something else. Then dito, you can ask me another question, or here are some more things I can help you with. So dito nyo na ilalagay or i-reply yung phone registration. Then, click natin yung I'm getting the prompt. You already have a registered phone. So ngayon, babalik na siya sa dating procedure. Yan. Ngayon, magkakaroon na tayo ng show form. Pipil upan lang natin yung show form. Lagay natin yung name natin, then GCash number, then yung email na nakalink doon sa GCash. Then send na natin. Then return to chat. Then tatanungin tayo, "Do you know the model and brand of your phone?" Then yes natin yan. Then lagay lang natin yung old phone natin or yung brand and model ng ating old phone. Then click natin tong "I want to register this phone." Then "No, I can't log in my registered phone." Then ngayon, magre-reply si Gigi, "Please have the following ready." So valid ID yung ginamit natin para ma-fully verified yung ating GCash tsaka yung selfie with our valid ID. Tanungin tayo, "Do you have them ready?" So yes. Dito naman, upload lang natin yung picture ng ID natin tsaka yung selfie with our valid ID. So ngayon, after natin ma-upload yung picture ng ID natin tsaka yung selfie with our valid ID, check natin sa email kung nag-respond si GCash. Same lang din ang procedure sa mga unang uploaded videos natin. So ngayon, in-update ko lang kayo about sa chat with Gigi kasi nag-iba na yung unang message niya. Ngayon, kung di nyo pa napanood yung unang videos natin kung saan itinuro ko yung whole procedure para ma-open yung account nyo kapag na-encounter nyo yung error prompt na your account is already registered to another phone. Ngayon, kung hindi nyo pa napanood yung mga videos na yon, ilalagay ko yung link sa description box para may access kayo. Bali, same procedure lang yun after nyo makapag-upload ng ID nyo tsaka yung selfie nyo with your valid ID. So hanggang dito lang video na ito. Sana nakatulong and have a nice day. Thank you and goodbye. Peace out.